Hello boys and girls, today I brought a very special story to share with you. This story is called The Three Little Pigs. Have you ever heard this story before? Wonderful! Today we're going to use our imaginations and watch the story come to life with my puppets. Are you ready? Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who lived happily with their mother. One day, Mother Pig told her little pigs it was time to build homes of their own. My little pigs, you're growing up now. Go out into the world, build strong houses, and always make wise choices. The three little pigs hugged their mother goodbye and set off on their new adventure. The first little pig found a pile of straw. Ooh, straw is light and easy. I'll build my house with straw. My house is finished. Yay! Now I can relax. The second little pig found a sticks. I'll build my house with sticks. It will be stronger than the straw. There, my stick house is finished. And the third little pig wanted the house that would last a long time. I'm going to build my house with bricks. It will take longer, but it will be nice and strong. Whew! That was hard work, but now my brick house is finished. Whew. The three little pigs were very happy in their new homes, but hidden behind the bushes was someone watching them. Oh, woo, woo. The big bad wolf licked his lips. Those little pigs look delicious. The next day, the wolf walked to the little straw house. Little pig, let me come in. Not by my hearing. The next day, the wolf walked to the little straw house. Little pig, let me come in. Not by the hair on my chin. I will not let you in. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I blow your house down. The straw house blew down. Pig One ran as fast as he could to his brother's stick house. wolf chased after Pig 1 until he reached the stick house. Little pigs, let me come in. Not by the hair on our chins. And I'll puff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down. The steakhouse came crashing down. The two little pigs quickly ran to their brother's brick house. The steakhouse came crashing down. The little two pigs quickly ran to their brother's brick house. The wolf followed them all the way to their brother's house. Little pigs, let me come in. Not by our chins. I will not let you in. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and blow your house down. But the brick house didn't move. The wolf huffed and huffed again. But the brick house stayed strong. The wolf was very frustrated. If I can't blow the house down, I'll climb to the roof and sneak into the chimney. But the clever little pigs heard him climbing. Quick! Let's put a big pot of hot water over the fire. Down the chimney came the wolf. Ouch! It's hot! The wolf jumped back out the chimney and ran as far as he could. The three little pigs smiled and hugged one another. Whew, we're safe. We stayed together, and our strong brick house protected us. From that day, that big bad wolf never bothered the three little pigs again, and they all lived happily ever after. Thank you for watching!